I welcome you to this course on chemistry, periodic classification of elements. With this course, I have tried to provide you a good conceptual and practical learning on the subject. Let me walk you through the major topic covered in this course. Here they are. First one, periodic table introduction, in which you get knowledge about what is periodic table, why we need it. Next one, terminologies in element properties, which include what is atomic number, what is atomic mass, what are isotopes, and valency as well. Next one, early attempts for classification of elements, which includes Daubigner law of triads and Newland's law of octave. Next one, Mendeleev's periodic table, which was most acceptable periodic table in its time, in which you get knowledge about principle of Mendeleev's periodic table, its achievements and limitations as well. Next one, modern periodic table, which was given by Henry Moseley, in which also include comparison between Mendeleev's and modern periodic table. Next one, periods and groups in periodic table, in which I try to provide you complete knowledge about each and every group and periods present in periodic table. Next one, trends in modern periodic table, which include atomic radius and valency, and their effect on element property across period and group. And the last one is properties of metal and non-metal on the basis of their physical and chemical nature. So here these many topics I have covered in this course. This is an intermediate course that can be taken by any science student. This course doesn't require any prerequisite knowledge in chemistry or any other subject. Some basic understanding about atoms and elements is enough. Hope you will enjoy this course. We'll see you in this course. Thank you.